Hi friends, if you are watching this video, you are about to learn one of the most powerful and most in-demand software skills in the world, that is Microsoft Excel. Whether you are a student, a job seeker, an accountant, a business owner, or someone who just wants to be better at their job, Excel is a skill that will help you every single day. And today we are starting right at the beginning, the interface and navigation. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what every part of Excel screen does, how to move around confidently, and you will be ready to start working in Excel from day one. Before we explore the interface, let me quickly tell you what Excel actually is and why it matters. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software. It allows you to store, organize, calculate, and analyze data using a grid of rows and columns. You can use it for everything like tracking expenses, managing inventory, calculating salaries, creating reports, building dashboards, analyzing sales data, and the list goes on, and the list is endless. In fact, most companies in India and around the world still use Excel every single day. It is one of the top skills employers look for in any office job. And the best part is, once you learn it, you can use it for the rest of your career. Let us get started with the interface. Let us start at the very top. At the top of the screen, you will see the title bar. It shows the name of your file. Right now it says Book 1 because we have not saved the file yet. On the top left is the Quick Access toolbar. This has shortcuts for save, undo, and redo. We can also customize to add your favorite commands. Below the title bar is the most important area of Excel, that is ribbon. The ribbon is divided into tabs. You can see Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. Each tab has groups of related commands. For example, the Home tab has groups for clipboard, font, alignment, number, and so on. You will spend most of your time on Home tab and the Formulas tab. We will explore all these in detail as we go through the course. Just below the ribbon, on the left side, you will see a small box. That is the name box. It shows the address of the cell where you are. Right now it says A1 because the cursor is in A1 cell. If you move the cursor, the cell address changes accordingly. You can see it over C4, C5, C6, D6. Next to it is the formula bar. When you type something in a cell, it appears here too. See here, if you type something in the cell, it will appear in the formula bar like this. Now, the main area of Excel is the grid. This is where all your data lives. The vertical strips are called the columns. See here. And they are labeled with letters A, B, C, D, all the way it is till XFD. That is 16,384 columns in total it has. Horizontal strips are called the rows, and it is named with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and it has till 10,48,576 rows, and that is over 1 million rows. The intersection of a row and a column is called a cell. Each cell has an address, and it is also called a cell reference. For example, the cell in A column and row 4 is, the cell address is A4. You can see it here. And if the column is B and the row is 5, the cell address is B5. This addressing system is how Excel knows where everything is. At the very bottom of the screen, you will see sheet tabs. Right now, there is one sheet called Sheet 1. You can have multiple sheets inside one Excel file. Just think like this. Excel file is a notebook, and each sheet has a page inside that notebook. You can add sheets by clicking the star button next to the tab. Now let us try. See here. Click over here. You can add as many sheets as you want. Below the grid is the status bar. This shows useful information, the current zoom level, and if you select some numbers, it instantly shows you the sum, average and count without any formula. Now let us see how to move around in the Excel sheet efficiently. The most basic way is to click on any cell. But once your spreadsheet has lots of data, you need faster way to move around the Excel sheet. So we use some shortcut keys. Let us see one by one. To select one column, you click on the letters over here E, G, H, and select any rows. You click on the numbers. The whole row is getting selected, and use arrow keys to move around, downward, right and left arrow, up arrow. Arrow keys you can use to move around. And if you are in somewhere in the middle, so if you want to go to the first cell, so press Ctrl Home. It will go to first cell, and I'll use this as the last cell. Now press Ctrl Home, it will go to first cell, and now Ctrl End, it will come to end of the cell you used. And here in the name box, wherever you want to go, you can type. Say N 13. Press enter, it will go to N13. See here, N is highlighted here and 13 is highlighted here. And now here in the cell name, you can select H16. Press enter. See here, H is highlighted here, 16 is highlighted here. The cell address is H16. This way you can move around the Excel sheet. A quick important concept. The Excel file itself is called a workbook. Each tab inside it is a worksheet. So, one workbook can contain many worksheets. For example, a company might have one workbook called Annual Accounts with 12 sheets, one for each month, that keeps everything organized in one file. Now you can save the file by pressing Ctrl S. When you press Ctrl S, it will ask for the file name. You give some file name. I will give it as Excel practicing file. Excel practicing, I will say. And let it be Excel workbook. Here, save. Now you can see the file name has been changed. This is how you can save your Excel files. Once you save with the name, after that you can save by pressing Ctrl S or clicking it over here. Or you can do it either way, file, save. That also you can use. Now your task is open Excel, explore every tab on the ribbon. Click on different cells and watch the name box change and try all the navigation shortcuts from the table. And drop a comment if you have any doubt and any questions. And tell me, what do you want to use Excel for? And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and it helps this channel to reach more people who want to learn Excel for free. And thank you friends. Next week we are covering data entry and cell formatting, fonts, colors, borders, numbers and many more things. And so you subscribe for this channel so you do not miss it. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video.